welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So guys, today I'm gonna show you guys the things you can buy for your room decoration. So g- so let's get started the video. So first of all, we have this wall clock. आप ये कहीं से भी खरीद सकते हैं. You can buy it from anywhere, and it's not that much expensive. You just have to search wall clock and you'll see thousands of types of wall clocks. I like this one, so I bought this one. Secondly, we have these fake plants. You can see ये भी आप कहीं से भी ले सकते हैं, किसी भी ऐप से आपको ये मिल जाएंगे, किसी भी स्टोर से मिल जाएंगे. You can buy this easily from anywhere. So yeah. Third, we also have a wall decoration pieces, and it's made of wood, so it's not that much expensive as the watch, as the clock. So you can also buy this in like 5 to 600 in Pakistani rupees. I don't know if you're watching this from another country, but in Pakistani rupees you can buy this in 4 to 500. Then we have this wallpaper. So in this wall there are approximately 5 to 6 wallpaper pieces, and a one piece is like a very big, like from here to here. It's a one piece and you can buy it under like 600, sorry, like 300. So I bought 6 pieces and I don't know कि कितने के आते हैं. So आप अपनी country से देख लें. You just have to search on any app wallpaper. Then we have these lights, and there is this remote. You have to connect this with the switch, and there are many options like this. Then blue, green, red, and many more, as you can see. So you can also buy this easily from anywhere, and yes, it looks so good. Even if you don't buy any of these things which I'm showing you, you should buy this one because it have a vibe. It could change your room totally, like as you can guys see. And then we have this thing. I don't know the name of it, I don't know what it's called, but you just have to search wall mirror, and the search bar will show you this. And it's such a low price. You can just buy it under 200 and 100 to 200, so it's not that expensive. Go check it out. So this is my wall, you can see. This video, that's it. Please like the video and share as much as you can, because these things are so much nice and you have to buy it. Thank you, love you all, bye.